Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to change IP address in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. I show you guys how to do it. Go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. And now you just need to type ipconfig, press enter. Here you can able to see your IP address over here guys. Now let's change this. Go to search menu and type view network connection. Click on open it. Ethernet adapter. In my case, you just need to right click on the internet you are using it and select properties. Select internet protocol version 4 and select properties. In here select use the following IP address, and now you just need to type the IP address over here guys. Just what you want to do is just type here the IP address. In my case 192 and 168 and 0, and in the last letter you just need to change it guys. 104 I'm changing to 106, and after that sub mask you just need to copy this like this. Just right click on the top bar and select edit and select copy, and after copying it just paste over here guys. And now again copy the default gateway, just mark it and right click on the bar and select edit and copy it, and after copying it just paste over here, and after pasting it you just need to select OK for save changes. Select close and close it off here. Now you need to go to cmd. You just need to type ipconfig and press enter. Now as you can see our IP address has been changed guys. Look at this last number of the IP address 106 we have changed. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.